test full length. So now it's time to test the ultra night mode capability of S20 Ultra. So I'm gonna test out 4 tests, first starting with video, and let me switch over. So I want to show you guys the nighttime video mode. I do have some street light onto my face, so it's not that bad. So let's now get into the city and show you guys what the video function can do first. Let's go. First, super wide angle, the normal wide angle. What I do notice with Samsung mobile phone is that the glass is rather thick, so you do see quite a lot of reflection from the glass above the camera lens. And this is zoom number 5 times zoom. Let's see whether it can go further zoom. It's zoom 10 times. And then let's go crazy with it. 30 times, okay. You can see how basically it's very noisy, not usable. So of course the best thing is to go for the nighttime. Is it any different? It really helps if you do have a tripod. And this is 5 times. I was impressed with color and clarity. And at 10 times, I thought I wasn't getting focused, but the result was stunning. With the new bright night feature in low light, the camera system captures multiple photos at once, merging them into one photo with less blur and noise. So with any Galaxy camera that I have experienced, and I'm sure it's probably applicable for all the mobile phone camera, you want to use the night mode that's available on your camera app. It gives sharper, brighter, sort of more colorful image at nighttime, and it is really best if you use it with a tripod. Okay, this is a little bit humongous, but anything that can actually stand your mobile phone very stably, then you can get some beautiful photos. On a side note, make some use of light and you can get a really good selfie at nighttime. With the 108 megapixel photos, I could capture the details for the nearby objects. But some things at distance was a bit blurry, and the zoom up to 6 times was not that helpful at nighttime. If you fancy having manual control of your photos, then feel free to use the Pro mode. I was able to capture the light trails from cars, and I could really lower the shutter speed to capture the light from the moon, otherwise too bright on the standard mode. But my favorite function to capture night is of course the nighttime mode, with a bit of help from tripod. Then the nighttime photography will be really awesome. So if you do guys have any questions about S20 Ultra, then do let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you!